Hello everyone, this is Hassan from Mouthful Economics. In this video, we'll talk about constant, linear and nonlinear functions. So what is a constant function? Let us take an example. y1 equal to 10, and then example of linear function, y2 equal to 5 plus twice x, and an example of nonlinear function, y3 is equal to, let us separate them, now why the first example is a constant function. See here, there is no x, so whatever value you put for x, you will get 10 for value of y1. Say if x equal to 1, y1 equal to 10, x equal to 2, y1 equal to 10, x equal to 3, y1 equal to 10. Here, whatever happens to x, as x increases, for example, y1 remains the same. That is why this is known as constant function. Now, for the second function, y2 equal to 5 plus twice x, here if x is equal to 1, y2 equal to 5 plus 2 is equal to 7, x equal to 2, y2 equal to 5 plus 4 equal to 9, x is equal to 3, y2 equal to 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. Here, this is a linear function. Why this is linear? If you look closely, you will see that as value of x increases, value of y increases by exactly same amount. Here, the increase in the value of y2 is 2. Here also increase in the value of y2 is 2. Say if x is equal to 10, y2 equal to 5 plus 20, 25, x is equal to 11, y2 equal to 5 plus 22 is equal to 27. See here, value of x increases from 10 to 11, value of y2 increases by 2. So we can say that here, as value of x increases by 1 unit, value of y2 increases by 2 units, whatever the value of x is. That is why this function is known as linear function. Now the third function, if x is equal to 1, y3 equal to 1, x is equal to 2, y3 is equal to 8, x is equal to 3, y3 is equal to 27. See here, as value of x increases by 1 unit, for these two values, value of y3 increased by 7 units, and for these two values of y3, it has increased by 19 units. If we get x is equal to 4, y3 will be equal to 64. So the increase in y3 is more than 19. This is why this function is known as nonlinear function. This is all for now. Don't forget to practice. There is one disclaimer though, not a native English speaker, therefore following my grammar and pronunciation is subject to tremendous risk. Anyway, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Want to learn more? Follow the link in the description below. Bye bye.